there, it's Megan with WTI, and I no longer have to be a helpless victim to poor lighting thanks to this super handy Trakxy ring light. I have found this ring light to be very stable. It doesn't tend to wobble much at all. It has a very solid metal tubing structure, and I also find that it connects very firmly at all the attachment points. It holds my phone really securely, and I'm able to adjust the flexible neck to get just the right angle for my shot. I actually own a much bigger ring light too, but sometimes this ring light is just too heavy and cumbersome to move around. The great small size and lightweight feel of this Trakxy ring light though makes it really convenient to transport from place to place. It has a very small footprint, so I can move around it without bumping it and compromising the smooth flow of my video footage. It has been excellent for video conference meetings when I want to be well lit and professional looking, and also for my online teaching job. It's perfect for my video content creating and making my lighting very crisp and keeping the footage very clean looking and appealing. This Trakxy ring light has been a very welcome addition to my ring light family. And that's my point of view.